welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is asking a question, and his question is, what is the problem? Why is it that Marcia's name is being dragged over social media? And why is it there's no one coming out to say anything to help? Why is it that Ms.D haven't said anything yet? That's what Dwayne is saying. Dwayne asked the question if she remembered when her name was being dragged around social media and how did it feel. He also asked the question, he said, isn't this a form of harassment? Isn't this bullying? And of someone who is alone and someone who doesn't have anyone else with them. So he's saying that, basically there's people out there that's bullying and harassing Marcia. And it's time for that to stop. He's saying that she went to her friend's funeral in another country and it's still happening. People are still out for her. So go catch the video and see what Dwayne and his followers have to say about this. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And lovelies, for you to continue to see this video, go and hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know about it. And have yourselves a wonderful afternoon.
She's gone to a whole other country to bury her friend, right? So my question is, what is the real issue here? When was the last time, in about a week, 2 or 3, have any of you had this woman dragged Donna? When? So my question to you people are, why does every God Almighty day that God makes, hear me well, why does every God Almighty day that God blesses us to get up and see this beautiful world we live in, every day we get up, there is a selective group on here, they drag her even when she's not even dragging Donna. What is the issue here? What's the issue? Isn't this bullying? Don't you guys consider this behavior as bullying someone who's basically alone on an island by themselves? Don't you guys consider this to be harassment? Put yourselves in these people's shoes who continuously get harassed day in, day out. How would you feel? Donna Gal, my ex-aunt Donna Gal, over to you. Do you remember when people used to drag you? How did it make you feel? Don't you people see something wrong with this type of behavior? Don't you see? Isn't this behavior, and bear in mind, 3/4 of you are women. 3/4. Listen, all of you know, I always speak in the first part of my video, and then we go into the hot stuff. I have to speak first. I don't care who want to go, and that's it. I don't care. This is my page. 3/4 of you people on social media who support platforms are women. Yet still, you cheer men on day in, day out. Well, not men, 1 or 2. Are they men? I don't know. Whatever they are. You cheer them on every day to cause friction and rift, thinking you people are doing something great. You're not. You are not. You are continuing to add fuel to fire. What is wrong with you people? You people are women. There is a saying, I don't know if you guys know. You people should be pushing up each other. Bear in mind, at a point in your lives, you are not seen as equal to men. You women, you women. But yet still you get up every day and be pushing up man to tear your species down. What is wrong with you? And 3/4 of the time, this woman is not even looking at Donegal. 3/4 of the time, she's not even looking at Donegal. She's not. So what is the issue here? Are you people harassing this woman in the name of content? Are you people bullying this woman because she's not affiliated with Donegal? Are you people doing this because of social media money? Don't you see something wrong with this? Don't all of you women, I'm talking to you women, don't you see something wrong with this type of behavior? Day in, day out, 7 consecutive days, every day, all day, every day, most days. It's not like they take content and scrutinize. They take this woman's content to ridicule her, patronize her, tear her down, drag her to the pits, just drag her. And you people don't see something wrong with this? You don't? What is wrong with all of you? Yes, Kylie can be, yes, she can be very, very not nice. She can be not nice. I know this. We all know this. We've all seen her. What she can do. We've all seen it, right? We've all seen what she can do, right? So why continue to provoke her day in, day out because you feel like you are on the winning side? Some of you men are a disgrace to humanity. Instead of you pushing for peace amongst everyone so all sides can be equal, you push for rift and confusion and strife because you think this is the only way you can make money. Social media money, getting views, getting likes, getting within a few followers. Bear in mind, some of you are 50 going on 60. Some of you have not made nothing in your entire existence on this land. And you're up there. You are way, way up there. If anyone should be given trouble on this planet right now, people like me or younger. Because we are just coming along. Some of you up in your age, you should have already made life. You should have already settled down, married per se, have children, have properties, have assets. But a lot of you, you don't have dry shit, but yet still you have the audacity to come out here and drag this woman, drag her, because she and Donegal are not affiliated. Donegal, I keep on telling you, you must send an example to everyone. Send an example to all sides, especially the ones who comes out here in your name, causing chaos. In your name, Donegal, they wake up every day and cause chaos. Very chaotic, hateful human beings. Is this okay? Is this how all of you plan to live your lives for the rest of your days? Bear in mind, yesterday I saw a video of this preacher man, a singer. He was singing on stage, and the man just dropped down dead right behind the stage, just poof. I'll show you guys now. If you think I'm lying, I'll show you that video. The man dropped down dead right in the church, singing the song, and dead. And every day, God blesses 3/4 of Una with this beautiful thing we call oxygen, and open our eyes to see this beautiful word. And you come out here day in, day out to drag people. Not saying people should not be chaotic sometimes, but let people cause chaos by themselves. Don't come out here and instigate instigate because you want views, because you think the Planka Nation and others are going to run to you, are going to flock to you and support you. Wake the fuck up. Excuse my language. My apologies. Wake up. Wake up and stop it. It doesn't look good. Donegal, you must send a message. These people comes out here day in, day out and dragging him. My co-worker. Send a message to them. The same tone you did to me, you must do it to them too. And I'm not mad. Because bear in mind, what you did to me, it helped me to become a better human being. It really did. It really helped me to become a damn good human being with ethics, values, morals, and most importantly, principles. Why should I fight anyone's battles who is not looking at my dad? Why should I fight for you? But none of you are fighting for me. How is that remotely possible? How? KCN, I have something to say, and you may like it, you may not like it. However, I have to say, I really have to say, this is not me coming at Donegal maliciously. PSA. Hello, Planka people. This is not me coming at Donegal in a malicious, with any form of intent. This is me trying to tell her. It is for, you are at 11 now. But these riffraffs on social media, you should not be associating. Shit. Even if they call your name, they should be calling your name mostly with nice things. Since they're on your side. Still on your side. Right? Listen. I bet you if she blocks them, she will send a damn message. She will send a clear message. I don't stand with you. And if they do continue, then they will have no shame. Right? If she blocks all of their page, block every page who speaks about her in a negative way. Team alleged Team Donna. I bet you if she blocks them, if they continue, they won't have no shame. They won't have no shame. I'm telling you. Today, Donegal, I want you to hear me. I'm not coming at you in any malicious way, in any way, shape, or form. Your fans may think I'm coming at you sideways, but I'm not. I'm only trying to tell you, these people, they get up every day to cause chaos. Me co-worker. And I sat back and I watched. I'm like, are these people okay? Are they okay? I am being fair. If Marcia Campbell bothers Donna, absolutely. You have all rights to dissect. All rights to dissect whatever she says. Class, I would say no. Because let's be real. Is anyone on here classing other people? Or is anyone on here classing Donna? If Donna wants a class her, let Donna class her herself. Donna is a grown woman. Or even better, let the followers, because let's be real, the followers, we can't tell the followers what to do, what not to do. The followers are going to do what the followers want to do, right? The followers are going to do what followers want to do. I am not attacking Donna Jimmy. I am, PSA again, Planka Boss, I am not attacking you. Planka Boss, Dwayne Fletcher is not attacking you. I say this unapologetically. I am not attacking you. I might be a little bit passionate, but I'm not attacking. Jimmy, stop. Jimmy, you must stop. Jimmy, you are instigated right now. You are really a part of one of those problematic people that you must be stopped at all costs. You must be stopped. You must be stopped. People, we have continued to divide each other for far too long. No one's telling you not to have favorite people. Because let's be real, we all have our favorite people out here. At a point, Donegal was my most favorite personality on Facebook. The most of most. Right? I've done wrong by her. She's done wrong by me. I've taken accountability. I just know in my life, that part of my life, it is now null and voided. I won't go back there, right? But if we continue, if we as a collective continue to come out here day in, day out and drag people who maybe speaks about her in a manner that might not be pleasing, this is only going to cause more chaos. Don't you see? Is Donegal answering? No, she don't care. Some of these platform people, you are doing way too much. And for fully grown adults, you really are a disgrace to humanity. And most of you women who supports this bullshit, you also are a disgrace to humanity. And I care zero. How can she be blamed? Alicia, no one is blaming Donegal. No one. I'm saying she must send a strong message. Block everybody. Block them. Send that message. Stop calling my name in your mouths. Because people are bringing disrepute to my character and her now brand. Because she is a brand. Whether you guys accept it or not, Donegal is a brand. And Donegal is unstoppable. Open all of your eyes. That woman has gone way, way, way through the gates. When I can't reach her again, she's now unreachable. Are you guys understanding? Do you guys see what's happening out here? She's up there. Up there. She's now unreachable. So look at that chat till God come. It won't make a difference. Understand? Donegal is a brand. And she must protect her brand at all costs. She can't... Donegal, take this. If you don't take nothing from me, take this. Block the one of them backside. Block out them caca. Send the message. Send a strong one too. Tap calming him on them out. Because they're bringing disrepute to you, your character, and your brand. And it's not a good look. It's not a good look to the outside world. And Dwayne Fletcher is saying this to you from a place that means well. And I don't care. Dwayne, I feel you. But don't let them get to you. No, girl, no one's getting to me. You're missing the point. No one is getting to me. I'm just tired of these men, these grown-ass men who should have already made it in life, coming out here day in, day out, dragging females, just dragging them as if to say there's some piece of meat. You slap on the table like a piece of meat. No! Women ought to be respected. Women ought to be elevated at the highest order. No man, no